before the Civil Rights Movement. Consequently, these students were unable to join various white student organizations for many years, such as established fraternities and sororities. This exclusion led Black students from their own Greek organizations that acknowledged and affirmed Black culture. Greek life is a defining feature of HBCUs on campus.
For me, this is the chosen way of life. In fact, there are a lot of people in this room, Coach Catalino, Coach Cassidy, Coach Klinger-Hofer, have gone to a lot of food drives with me to help those in some of the surrounding communities when the COVID hit. So it's a lot more than just some of the fun stuff you see. It's a lifelong commitment.
In all, being the son of a capitalist taught me the importance of lifting your peers up through whatever turmoil y'all as a community are going through, and doing so with respect, integrity, sincerity, and diligence.
Delta Sigma Theta has more than 300,000 initiated members and over 1,000 chartered chapters worldwide. In my mother's own words, I wholeheartedly believe in Delta Sigma Theta incorporated its core values around sisterhood, empowering women of color, community stewardship, and service to the Black community.
It's an occasion that traces its origins to the early 1900s in the historian Carter Woodson, and as you know, it's a time to recognize and learn about the achievements and contributions and role of Black Americans in the American story.
Thank you, and happy Black History Month.